Hi, I'm Heidi. This is Scott.
Hi.
Today we're going to be talking about mulch. Now mulch is probably one of the most important things you can do for your garden. It comes in many forms and it's applied as a layer over soil in your garden around plants and trees. It helps protect them against the elements, add nutrients back into the soil and also suppress weeds. So let's touch on the difference between them and the benefits.
For a long time we've been selling a lot of granulated bark products. So this is actually just straight New Zealand pine bark granulated. So it's a really nice finish, very even, you know, quite a formal finish.
I think maybe we'll come over and have a look at this. So this is the premium Mulch and Grow.
That product is a really natural fibrous bark material. We have made it fibrous on purpose so it knits together well, has a really natural finish. We've added in chicken and sheep pellets, we've added in wetting agent and organic nutrients. So we've done a lot of the hard work for the customers there. This product is our biggest selling mulch product. It's well sought after because it really helps with water conservation and moisture retention in the garden. And as we talked about earlier, breaks down to become part of the garden over time.
It's quite good having everything in one bag too.
Oh, just makes it so much easier.
Right, so this one's actually a little bit different. It's black.
Yeah, that's right. So Dalton's coloured wood mulch has, as the name would suggest, is a product is white wood, chipped up sort of pellets actually, that has been dyed with a natural colorant. It comes in a number of different colours, but the most popular by some way is the black and the red. This product is used when a little bit of colour is needed in the garden to match a light coloured house or to bring out a garden.
So now we're ready to mulch. Yep. So tell me, why are we needing to put some mulch on this? I mean, it looks like there's a little bit on there already.
Yeah. Well, we're noticing it's starting to thin out a little bit.
Yeah.
Weeds are starting to come through some of those very thin areas, so It's a great time to top it up. Well, we at Daltons say all year round, but typically the time to apply it is early spring. Getting that layer on early helps prevent moisture losses from the garden during those warmer months ahead.
Yeah, especially with summer.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so thinking about winter, what are the benefits of mulch in winter?
Well, mulching in winter helps regulate the soil temperature, so you've got a nice, even, consistent soil temperature, which is fantastic for that soil biology. Water your garden thoroughly before the mulch goes on. Once the mulch is on, it acts like a blanket and will really lock that moisture in there.
So before you apply any mulch, you really need to make sure you've got a clean surface. Okay, so let's get on and we'll get rid of some of these weeds so we can get applying.
Great idea. Anywhere between 50ml and 100ml is right, is about what we recommend. And the reason for that is it really makes it hard for those weeds to push through. And it keeps it in place a whole lot longer. The organic nutrients within the mulch and feed will really just start to work almost immediately. But if you were to apply nutrients on the top, they will work through in an efficient way and there'll be none lost to leaching with a good solid mulch layer. It really does improve nutrition application, yeah. Any existing plants, it's always wise to leave a little gap around the base of the plant.
Right, yep.
The reason for this is that it will stop any sort of surface rots or moisture build-up around the base of the plant, so it's better to be safe than sorry.
I think that's looking pretty good actually.
I think it looks fantastic.
Absolutely,
yeah.
Although we've got a little bit more work to do yet, I think.
Yeah, sure have.
Thanks again for joining us today, sharing your advice.
No trouble at all, it's been a pleasure.
Excellent. Well, I hope that you've learnt some tips and tricks for mulching in your own garden and the benefits it brings.
Get out there and mulch and grow.
Happy gardening.